Hi everyone, Adrian here from Dougmale Harcourts in Wollongong, talking today with another segment of How's the Market? So, what I wanted to talk to you today about was how do you know if you've chosen the right agent for the job? This week was a funny week really. I had a couple of jobs which one I won and one that I lost, meaning that someone has chosen me to sell their property and someone hasn't. Interestingly enough though, I lost it really based on fee, and the scenario goes like this. Your fee is at X% and these guys are a lot cheaper than what you are. So it got me thinking really. Now, the perception of the consumer out there may be that from one agent to another, in terms of marketing and fees and bits and pieces like that, maybe they're all the same. Well, there might be subtle differences. But I'd like to offer you just a little insight into anyone who's discounting fees. Because not often the cheapest agent is always the best. And obviously everyone wants to have a fair price in terms of what they pay in terms of fee, which I understand, and I'm a consumer, I act the same way. So that I've got no problem with. So think about this. This is only just the negotiation stage of choosing an agent, and they say this fee, and then they come in with that fee. So, little insights to their negotiation skills there. They're a discounter, but what are they also? They're a panicker. They panic under pressure. Now, in front of a buyer, wouldn't that happen the same as well? Wouldn't a buyer come in with a low offer and they would just consent to that offer, saying, yes, that's okay, I'll run with that to the owner and I'll let you know? Now, if that's the case, they're not really fighting for every dollar. So in the case of the vendor now, or the guy who's selling their home, who says, well, I'm going with the agent that's 2% and not with the agent that's 2.5, he saved himself $1,000 for argument's sake. But the agent may not know how to negotiate even $1,000 extra from a buyer. So you don't know whether a buyer might have paid $5,000 or $10,000 more. You're saving $1,000 on one side and it's cost you $10 on the other. It's ridiculous, and a lot of consumers fall for it. So here's my tip for today. If you're engaging the agent services and it comes down to negotiation of fees and things like that, if you get a scenario like the one I've explained where they've come in at one fee and then dropped their fee, well, maybe you should ask them just another question. Hey, what would you do if you got an offer on my house? If they say, oh well, what I do is I get the offer and then I ring you and then you come back with a counter offer and we go back to the buyer, what you got there is a facilitator of information. Someone who's just making phone calls and actually getting paid a really good fee for just conveying a message. If the agent says, well, I enter into a dialogue and this is the script that I use, I might say, thank you for your offer. How did you come up with that price? Have you looked at other homes around the area? And, look, what about your finance? Is it up to date at the moment? Have you got your pre-approval? What about another question? So, look, if another buyer come in higher than that price, would you like to give me a call back? Would it be okay if I kept you in the loop? Sure. Well, if the agent is now negotiating with the buyer, meaning they're trying to see where's this buyer going to go to, how much can they spend, what's their level that they're going to reach, so I can then go back to my owner with the best price, not the first price, the best price they can absolutely pay, and then you can go back to the owner and say, I have picked up the buyer by the boots, I've dangled all the change out of their pockets, here's the highest price that the market will pay. So, you don't want the discounter, you want the guy who's going to fight, or the girl, my apologies, or the girl who's going to fight for every last dollar and get the highest price for you. No matter what the market conditions are or what everything's like, the highest price that any buyer's who's particularly going to pay at that time. That's your agent. If you'd like any more help or tips, make sure you subscribe down below to my YouTube channel or contact me via my website www.adriandamico.com.au. Chat to you soon.